jump on in and start with 10 reps of those figure eights with your left hand over your right. Once you've done 10 reps, switch hands, do 10 more reps right over left. All right, now we're going to go do the Matador's wheel. We're going to do 20 reps of that. You're just crossing your arm over your body. All right, now we're going to go do 20 reps behind the back. All right, new one for today. Just pay attention really closely. I'm dragging that rope directly in front of me, switching my arms over, and then dragging it behind me. And we're going to switch directions and do 10 reps the other way. So drag that rope in front of you, flip it over, drag it behind you. Drag in front, flip, drag behind. Front, flip, drag behind. This one's called the dragon roll. Alright, I'll show you a side view here. Drag it in front and then cross over, drag behind. Drag in front, cross over, drag behind. Good job. Pause it if you need to. Take a little extra time to practice this one. It will come together, I promise, eventually. And a rear view, so you can kind of see. Drag it in front, flip over, drag behind. Flip over, drag behind. Alright guys, so once we've done all those, you're going to set your jump rope. Oh, never mind. We're doing it again. That was just our warm-up. I don't know what I was thinking. So go ahead and do 10 reps of that figure eight, right over left, or left over right, and then switch, do 10 more reps. Good job. Now we're going to go into the Matador's wheel, 20 reps of that. And then we're going to put the jump rope behind us, do 20 behind the backs. All right, now to do our dragon roll, 10 reps on each side. All right, and then switch directions. And I actually did 20 reps on each side. All right, now set your jump rope off to the side. And we're gonna do something a little different today. Get down in that bear crawl position. And you're gonna take as many steps forward as you can, or that you have space for in this bear crawl, and then you're gonna reverse it. Do this as many times as you'd like. Here I did 7 to 8 reps going forward and backwards, and then I did 2 sets of those. So just do as many as you can. You can stay, if you're in your living room, stay in one place. Whatever you gotta do, take a few steps forward, a few steps back, and then just do it as many times as you can. Alright, good job guys. Once we've done that, we're gonna get down in a deep squat position and do these things called gorilla walk. So put your hands off to the side and really try to keep your chest upright. This is really going to help stretch out your hips. You're going to feel a lot more flexible after this. Once again, we're just doing this as many times as we can. All right, last exercise for this round. You're going to get in a deep squat position and you're going to hop up and jump forward. So this is going to be a very small hop. You don't come up above 90 degrees. So you're just going to hop forward. And once again, do this as many times as you can. I've done, I think I do 2 rounds here, about 7 to 10 reps is what I was doing here. Stretch it out if you need a second. And back to hopping. All right, good job, guys. Good job, guys. Let's get ready for round number 2. Alright, so grab that jump rope again, and we're going to start with those figure 8s. 10 and 10, you know the drill. Alright, and then the Matador's wheel, 20 reps. And 20 behind the back. Don't hit yourself in the face like I just did. Alright, now for that new one, the Dragon's Roll, 20 reps. Alright, now start from the other side, 20 more reps. Alright, set that jump rope off to the side, back in that bear crawl stance. Once again, we're going as many steps as you can, as many times as you can, forward and backwards. Try to keep that butt low, but just really it's all about going as far as you can. Good job, guys. Alright, now on to those gorilla walks. Get down in that deep squat position, put those arms out to the side, and get to walking. Once again, try to keep that chest up as straight as you can, and really get deep down in those hips, and it'll stretch them out. Alright, good job, guys. Now on to these little duck hops, or whatever we're gonna call them. I don't know, these little hop things. Just get to hopping. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel real good after this one. I am digging these new body weight movements. Alright guys, that's it for today. We did 2 rounds on camera, but I actually did 3 off camera. I had some technical difficulties, you know how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of workout today. I'm really liking it. It's helping me get a lot more flexible. So, I'm out of breath, man. So do this as many rounds as you'd like. But that's it for me today. If you guys like this video, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below and the bell so you get notified when I post more of this. Go drink some water. Bye.